So Aaron, I'm gonna tie my yellow here, or I'll do like 1 or 2 snap cuts, so I'm sure we'll clear the corner here, and then we'll do our first lift, all right? I'm a child with a child's eating habit, so I'm a bit more prone to acne, so it makes sense for me to wash your face. Really, everyone should wash their face. Like, well then. All right, you should be good. Keep lifting, you're just jammed up against the trunk a bit. Just keep lifting, you're fine. We'll bypass it. Push it over. Glad that didn't twist on me. That's great. Half crank again. That should be good for hinge. I'm going to reposition so the piece doesn't fucking take me with it. Just hang tight for my signal to finish the rig. Okay. Yeah, that's a decent berth. Alright, crankety crankety. Good, 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 good. So I can follow my line. So crank fast if you can. Alright, just nick my line. Tell the guys to just, I'm going to be chucking constantly for the next few minutes, so I'm not going to call every little... Sure. Some of that... But, if you do want... Go see my sister, man. Ask Caleb about my sister. She's fucking great. Probably the most painful experience of your life, getting worked on by my sister, but it's effective.